Do you want to add poll on Facebook Story? You can create a poll in Facebook Story with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To add a poll in a Facebook Story. First, open the Facebook app on your mobile device. Once you're on Facebook, tap on Create Story from the top of your newsfeed. Now, take a new photo or video, or choose one from your gallery to use as your poll background. Once the content is added, tap on the stickers icon on the right side of the screen. From the sticker options, select the poll sticker. You will see a text box where you can type your poll question. Below the question, you'll find options for answers in the form of yes or no. You can change the answer options to fit your poll. Once you've set up your poll, tap on Done. You can resize, move, or rotate the poll sticker anywhere on your story. After customizing, you can also add text, effects, or music to make your story more engaging. When your story is ready, tap on the Share button to post it. Your friends or followers will now be able to vote in your poll, and you can view the results.